Hey guys, this is Derek here with Rowdy Toys, and today I'm bringing you the classified Dreadnok Thunder Machine. So if it looks like a kitchen, it is. It just happens to be the right light. If you won't tell my wife, I'm sure not going to tell her that this is the best place to capture the true light and show the true colors. It's pretty doggone close. These are Paramount 3D, Iron Red, Tuxedo Midnight Blue, they're black, and then also their TPU for the belt. Show you a couple of features. Trying to do all this one-handed. So the rocket engine actually turns. Has all the armor. The foot pegs are actually the correct diameter. The window armor raises up. Brush guard, just like the original curved one. The 1980s Trans Am front end, it's pretty close to what the original car was. It had a few little changes that Hasbro made to it. And the machine guns work. That's always the coolest feature. This one actually has a mirror and an antenna. Something I see missing on quite a few of them. And if you need to get your figures in a little bit easier, the whole canopy, again I can't do it one-handed, but the whole roll bar assembly will come off. G.I. Joe Thunder Machine, and look at that battle damage. Alright guys, enjoy.